Hey guys, it's me Isabella Perry, and today we're making a slime video. The first thing you'll need is a bowl and something to mix with. Glue and soft. Today we're just making regular slime. Oh, and food coloring, that's optional. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your bowl, and you're going to open your glue up and put your glue in there. By the way, go watch my other video. It's how to make fluffy slime, where I made this beautiful pink slime. Let's get back to the video. So you're gonna put your glue in there. I like to mix it out just a little bit. And then put my food coloring in. I'm gonna make like a baby blue. Okay. Or like a dark blue. That'd be lighter. And then you're gonna add your stop line. You can use borax, but I prefer stop line. Remember to add a little bit of time, because if you add a lot at a time, it could overactivate. And people, they usually mix it a little bit and like, oh, it's not working. But you have to add, you have to keep on like mixing, because you don't know if it might activate really quickly. See, mine's not working that much. So I'm just gonna add a little more soft flow. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. And whoever comments, and remember to turn on the notifications. And down below, tell me I put on the notifications, and I'll shout you out in my next video. So it's like kind of thickening out, but it's like not touchable. Like it will like stick to my hand a lot. So that's when you add more stuff. I think when it starts sticking, going to the spoon, I think that's when you can start using your hands getting in there. Kind of. Hold on. It's all juicy. There we go. So like a splash. So now I can go on my hands and actually touch it. It's gonna be a really small slime, but y'all can make bigger slimes. It just means it's gonna need a little bit more activator than I did. I'll still mix it up just a little bit. Hold on, I need to get this off my fingers. Let me tell you a slime story. One time I was at school and I brought my slime to school because we had free recess, where that means you get to like play around with your, like do things like go on the computer, color and stuff, because it was raining outside. So I decided to bring out my slime out of my backpack. And this boy, let's call him Bob. Bob asked if he could play with my slime. And I asked him, are you good with playing with slime? And he was like, yes. But he actually had no experience with slime. And I gave it to him, and I gave him the whole box, or the bowl. And he took the whole thing out of the container and just held it in his hands. And the slime was also kind of sticky. So it was like a sticky slime. And he just let it sit there and sit there. And I was panicking because he took it off with his hands and put it on the table. Well, now the table has slime and his hands have like half of my slime on them. So I'm rushing to get the slime off of his hands. Mind you, he puts the slime at the edge of the table and it's like literally falling off of it. So I catch the slime and catch. I get all the slime off his hands. Hallelujah, some of my slime is still there. Okay, so I'm done with my slime. It's a very small slime. There we go. It's a very small slime. But we don't mind small slimes on this channel. All babies are allowed. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification. And bye.